Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Larasati. I'm from 5BD class. Today I want to present about tools of data collection interview. Content of these presentations are: first, definition of interview; second, types of interview; third, method of interview; fourth, steps of interview; and fifth, sample interview question. The first is definition of interview. What is interview? An interview is generally a qualitative research technique which involves asking open-ended questions to converse with respondents and collect illicit data about the subject. In interview, the interviewer in most cases is the subject matter expert who intends to understand respondent opinion in a well-planned and executed series of question and answer. Interviews are conducted with a sample from a population. Interviews are an appropriate method in research methodology when we need to collect in-depth information on people's opinion, thought, experience, and feelings. Interviews are useful when the topic of inquiry relates to the issue that require complex questioning and considerable probing. Second, types of interview. There is 3 types of interviews. The first is structured interview. The interviewer asks a set of standard, predetermined questions about particular topic in a specific order. The respondents need to select their answer from a list of options. And the second type is semi-structured interviews. The interviewer uses a set of predetermined questions and the respondents answer in their own words. And the last type, unstructured interview. The interviewer has no specific guidelines, restriction, predetermined question, or list of options. The interviewer asks a few broad questions to engage the respondent in an open, informal, and spontaneous discussion. Third, method of interview. There is 3 methods of interview in research methodology. The first is personal interview, where the questions are asked personally directly to the respondent. Second is telephonic interview, widely used and easy to combine with online surveys to carry out research effectively. And the last, email or web page interview. The respondents respond according to their time, at the time they want, and in the place they decide. Number 4, steps in conducting an interview. There is 8 steps when we want to conducting an interview. The first step is define your objective. Identify what you want to achieve and the information you need to gather. 2. Choose the type of interview. Review your required information, budget, time, and potential respondents, and decide whether you need to conduct structured, semi-structured, or unstructured interview. Number 3. Choose the appropriate respondents. Decide on the characteristic of interviewees and the number of interviews required. 4. Decide how you will conduct the interviews. Consider telephone or face-to-face interview. 5. Decide how to recruit your respondent. Obtain contact information for a number of respondents larger than the number of interview you need, since some may not respond. 6. Decide how you will record the interview. You may fill in a prepared form, use written notes, voice recorders, or computer-aided device. 7. Make a list of questions and test them with a sample of respondents. The question must be aligned with the type of interview. 8. Decide who will conduct the interview. Develop an information that includes an introduction to the research topic and instruction. And the last is sample interview question. I take 6 sample interview questions. The first is, how will your approach to research and analyze impact this company? How do you develop research idea and carry them forward? How do you determine what research you will need to initiate and complete a project? How do you make your research accessible to audience who will use it? How do you approach selected participants when performing research? How will you manage multiple projects and deadlines? Okay guys, that's all about my presentation. Thank you.